In today's video, I am going to teach you how to blog on Squarespace 7.1. If you want to share updates, write helpful articles, or build an audience over time, creating a blog on Squarespace is a great way to do it. I will guide you through the exact process step by step in a way that is easy to follow while you are in your own Squarespace editor. To begin, look for the Pages section in your Squarespace workspace. In most setups, you will see a menu where you can manage the site pages. When you find it, click Pages and then choose the plus option, which is usually shown as a small plus icon. This is the place where Squarespace lets you add new sections to your site. Taking this step first matters because the blog needs to be added as a proper page type, not just a random section. Next, select Blog from the options that appear. This ensures Squarespace creates the right structure for blog functionality, including the area where posts can live and the layout that matches your site. After you click Blog, you will usually see an entry labeled Blog or something similar in the page list. At this point, you are setting the foundation so your future posts will be organized and easy for visitors to read. Now you need to confirm the blog page. Click Enter on the blog option, and then make sure to select Save. Saving here is important because it tells Squarespace to actually create the blog page on your site. If you skip or forget to save, changes may not appear correctly, and you may have to repeat part of the setup. Take a moment now to confirm that the save action completes successfully. Once the blog page exists, you can start adding your first post. Click the plus icon inside the blog panel. This is typically located within the blog area where you manage posts. The goal of this action is to create a new blog entry. When you click plus, Squarespace should open a new editor or a new draft screen for your blog post. At this stage, add your blog title and your content. Choose a clear title that matches what the post is about, since it will appear to visitors and help them understand the purpose of your article. Then enter your content in the body area. You can write normally, include paragraphs, and format as needed, but the main thing is to make sure the content is readable and organized. This is where your message lives, so take your time and review what you have typed. After you finish writing your title and content, check your post for accuracy. Look for any spelling errors, confirm that the paragraphs are in the right order, and make sure the message reads the way you intend. This quick review helps you avoid publishing something you later want to change. If Squarespace offers a preview option, you can use it to see how your post will look to visitors. When you are satisfied, click Publish. Publishing is the action that makes your post live on your website, so visitors can see it immediately. Before you publish, ensure you are ready for the content to go public, since changing it afterward may require editing and republishing. Once Publish is complete, you should be able to see your post appear within the blog area, and that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know to create and publish a blog post on Squarespace 7.1. From adding the blog page to publishing your first entry,